How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is a final on the 1960 Ford Falcon. Alright guys, y'all remember probably right before Christmas, sometime before Christmas, I started this kit. It was a old builder. It was a curbside, it's the old annual kit, AMT 1960 Ford Falcon annual. So no engine detail. It was, customized. It had custom parts on it, and the only thing painted was the top. It just had a lot of customizing parts and stuff on it. But yeah, all right, this is it. So let's check her out. And there's the original box. It's in decent shape. Look right there, 1960 Ford Falcon. That's this kit, and it's got another kit in there too, a builder kit. But let's check her out. This ain't my best work. I kind of rushed it, but it was one of them. It's just a builder kit, so I didn't care. It's just going to be a shelf queen. It's going to sit on my shelf, and that's how she's going to be. But she'll never be shown at a show. But she looks decent. I mean, the glass is old. The car's from 1960. It's older than I am. So it is what it is. The front grille was in bad shape, so I had to steal the grille out of the Ranchero kit. Those hubcaps are from the Ranchero kit. The wheels are from this kit, but the hubcaps are from the Ranchero kit. Let's see. I think the back bumper's from the Ranchero kit too. I think I just switched it because it had the customized front on it. I think the back had its bumper, but it was in bad shape. So, but there she is. She's nothing special. You can see a variation in the hood, because that's the hood from the Ranchero, I guess. What had happened is I had dropped my hood, much like Manny did on his Bronco. He dropped his hood. I did the same thing. So when I dropped the hood, well, here's the deal. It was the original hood that I cut out of this. This is curbside. It had no hood, or no opening hood. So, I cut it out, and I painted it all, and everything, and it actually matched. This hood does not match because, it was an afterthought here. That hood, I stripped it, I primed it, I painted it, and then the paint messed up on it. And I just said, screw it. I just threw it in the box with the Ranchero, and I stole its hood. Well, okay, so here's the deal. Now, I primed the hood just like I primed this car, and give it about the same amount, if not more, of the same color paint, but the hood still turned out lighter than this. I don't understand, because I used the same primer, same everything. I just don't know if it's because the plastic differences. If any of y'all know, tell me, because this is a very old kit. The plastic is, it was white, but it was yellowed, from being so old. I don't know if that had something to do with the tint. But then, now the new AMT kits, the plastic's so thin, and it's just not the same plastic. I think that's something that's happened there. Even though I primed it and did the same steps I did to this, they still didn't turn out right. But oh well, it is what it is. It's a shelf queen anyway. But you can see, I'll give you a little look around, and I'll take it off here and show you what all I've done to it. She's not the best, but hey, I'm happy with it. As long as I'm happy, all's good in the world. Build for yourself. Let's get this thing off here, guys, so y'all can get it over with, and y'all don't have to hear me ramble, because that's what I do. You can see here, I scribed the door lines. I put a black wash in the door lines in the trunk. I'll leave pictures at the end of this, so you can see the interior better. But I did black carpet. You can see black. It's got black carpet in there. I did the black dash, and I did the two-tone gray interior. I looked this up online, and I seen several of them like that, so that's the way I did it. No, I didn't open this up, Pete. Sorry, brother. That's just a black wash in there. I've already lost one of my little lenses, because like I said, this in here is from the Ranchero kit, so I've already lost one of the lenses. Let's open this bad boy up. I'm not good at hinging, but I hinged it up. It sucks, but I put a 6-cylinder in it, as you can see right there. I wired it. I did the hoses, the battery cable, you know, the heater hoses. I've weathered it up to make it look like it's well used. It's got the water bottle in there. Like I said, all that I did myself. I cut that out underneath there, that engine plate. I put the 6-cylinder engine in it, made it an automatic. Just retained the originality of the car, I guess, and just rusted it all up and just made it look. You can see the rust holes I did right here, just a little bit, you know, starting to rust, but not just too rusty, you know what I'm saying? Just a used car. All right, guys, you can see you can see some spots in the paint here, but it's all good. Tell me what you think about it in the comments, guys. Hope you like it. And you know, in the thumbnail, I put this model in the thumbnail. I just wanted to do that because this is an original Craftsman Series 60 or 59. I'm not for sure. It's close to the same year model. But this is a Lincoln Continental, okay? This is the Mark, was that 4? Lincoln Continental. I just wanted to put this up here for size comparison to show you. This is my kit. It still needs to be chrome foiled and detail painted, but it was slapped together to show you. Look at that. Size comparison there, guys. Yeah. The little Lincoln was, or the little Falcon was a compact car compared to that Lincoln. Look at that bad boy. That's almost like my MG up against my Denali. Yeah. Well, actually, the MG's even smaller than this, so look at that. That was a small car for its day. And that sure was a big car for its day. This one here, I'm not sure what year model this one is. Let's see. It's a 59 Lincoln. Look at that. Get my little dick finger smudges all over it, but I haven't painted the body on this, just the interior's painted. It needs the chrome foil on it. Needs to be detailed underneath here, but black wash the grill and needs to be black washed back here. But that's a cool kit right there, guys. That's a very rare and hard to find kit. But hope you enjoyed. All right, guys, have a happy new year. Love y'all. And coming up is Stephen Baker's build, the 57 Chevy. And then after that, it's going to be probably small scale and motorcycle group build. That's what I got going on. Bye.